Most social media managers spend over 7 hours a week just posting content. That's almost an entire workday lost on a repetitive task. But what if you could simplify all of it and manage multiple platforms in just minutes using one smart dashboard? Hi, I'm Jeet from Gravity Right, and today I'm going to show you a tool that makes scheduling posts fast and easy. So without any further ado, let's get started. The tool that we're going to see today is newly launched on Gravity Right called AI Social Media. In this tool, you will be able to seamlessly create, schedule, and manage your post across various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter. So let's get into the tool. Just go to gravityride.com, click on AI Social Media in the sidebar, and you'll be taken to Gravity Social. Now, the first thing that you need to do is set your time zone so that your post publish exactly when you want them to. To do that, click on the drop-down menu in the left bottom side. Then select Edit Profile. Here go to Preferences and update your time zone. Click on Save. Next, we need to connect our social accounts so that we can start scheduling across our favorite platforms. In the sidebar under Configuration, you will find Social Accounts. Just click on it. Then click on Add Account. In this tool, you can connect social accounts of 6 platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter. In a free account, you will be able to connect 3 social media accounts with Gravity Social. So let's start with connecting our Facebook page. Click on Facebook page. You will be redirected to Facebook. Here, log into your Facebook account. Then select the page you want to connect with Gravity Social and click on Continue. After that, select the businesses and then select the Instagram accounts you want Gravity Social to access. Click on Continue. You will see the access review page. Go through it and click on Save to continue. Finally, select the account you want to connect. And just like this, your Facebook page will be connected to Gravity Social. In the same way, you can connect all the other platforms as well. Just remember, to connect your Instagram account with Gravity Social, you need to have an Instagram business page connected to your Facebook account. Next, let's see how you can create a post and schedule it across various platforms. Go to Create Post. All your connected social accounts will appear here. Select the account for which you want to create the post. If you want to share the same post across multiple platforms, you can do that here. Let's create a post for Facebook and Instagram together. So select them. You will see we have got Facebook and Instagram page options. For both platforms, you get the option to select the kind of content, whether you want this content as a post, a reel, or a story. So we will select post. Next, you need to enter the description. You can either enter the description manually or generate it using AI. Let's generate it using AI. Click on this icon. You will get a pop-up like this, where you will have to describe your post. Select the tone. Click on Generate. In seconds, the description gets ready. You can make changes here like shorten the content, rephrase it, or simplify it. You can even change the tone to be more friendly, more formal, more edgy, or more engaging. Once you're happy with the edits, just click on Insert. Now let's add your image or video. Just click on this image icon here and upload your image. And click on Insert. You can see our image is inserted. On the right side, we get the preview of how our post will look like on both the platforms. For Facebook, you also get an option to add a first comment, which will be added when your post is published. To add the comment, click on the plus icon here and just enter your comment. Our post is ready. So now to publish the post, you have 2 options. You can either post right away by clicking on Post Now, or you can pick a time to schedule your post. To do that, just click on Pick Time, select the date and time, then click on Pick Time. After this, click on schedule and your post will be scheduled. This is how easily you can schedule posts for multiple social accounts at once. Amazing, right? Gravity Social also has various other options, so let's go through them. If you click on dashboard, it gives you analytics of your different social profiles. Through post tab, you can see and manage the various posts that you have created. Calendar tab is a content planner that lets you view and manage posts by date. You can even create a new post directly from here by clicking on any date. In the media library, you see all the images and videos that you have uploaded or posted live, so you never lose track of your assets. And the last step we have here is templates. It can actually save you a lot of time. You can store things that you use repeatedly here, like logos, taglines, standard hashtags as reusable templates, which you can access like this at the time of creating the post. So that's it. This is how Gravity Social helps you manage your content smartly, all in one clean dashboard. So try out Gravity Social and make your content creation process effortless. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Gravity Write for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.